beautiful people of YouTube. How are you today? Today we are going to make this pretty flower. And can you guess what I've used to make this flower? You're absolutely right. I have used this ribbon to make this flower. So without further ado, let's get into it. So for making this flower, I've used this Aida material by PONY. This is 100% cotton Aida. It has 10 count. It is 42 by 48 centimeter or 16 by 18 inch. And I have stretched it on this bamboo hook once again by PONY. And then what I'm going to do is I have just taken this measuring tape, which I really love, but I'm not going to use it as a measuring tape today. I am going to use it to mark a circle. So with this pen, I'm just simply placing an outer line just to guide me as to where to place the petals. Once I have this, it will not be visible, and also I'm very sure it will wash off. I'm going to use this PONY Chenille needles. Why I'm using these is these have quite huge eye which my ribbon can pass through very easily, and as you may see, I have cut the ribbon diagonally so it makes easier to pass through this. I've taken quite a wide ribbon. If you're a beginner, you can take a narrower ribbon to start with. I have passed a small amount of ribbon through the needle, and I'm very sure this will not move, so even a small tail is enough. Then I'm going to take as much amount as I need. Maybe this is enough, and I'm going to snip off. Now while snipping it off, I'm snipping it off diagonally so that will be helpful for me when I start with the new tip. I'm going to find approximate center of this circle, and I'm just going to take my needle from bottom to the top. Now while pulling this off, this could be slightly difficult, so we can rotate or twist the needle to make it slightly easier to pull it off. Once you have this on the top, you will easily know which is the wrong side and which is the right side of the ribbon. You have to place it right side up towards the outer edge of this circle, and I'm going to select one point and place my needle in the middle of this ribbon, and once again twist it a little and pull it. This can be slightly tricky to do in the beginning, but you'll get the hang of it. I recommend starting with the Aida material for this reason. The fibers are slightly loosely bound, so it becomes easier to pull the ribbon. Be sure not to pull this very tightly, else the ribbon will contract and you won't get the wide length of it. You see how it is winding up? So don't pull it very tightly, and then come back at the center. Now please do not come back in the same hole as we came back earlier from. Use a hole a little bit at the side or a different hole basically, because if you come back at the same hole, there is a possibility that the ribbon will get tangled up. So I'm choosing a hole which is just besides it, and then I'm pulling once again. Do this very gently, because once again if you start pulling from here, it will start winding up from here. Once again, find the right side, place it where you want it, and at the middle of the ribbon, place your needle inside. Now we'll continue doing this until we finish the entire round. So this is my last petal. Now at the center, I can use a different color of ribbon, or I can do it with the same ribbon. I'm just going to pull the ribbon once through the center. I'm just going to place it somewhere here at the center only, and pull it so that I can have a central knot, something like this. And then I'm going to just simply tie it off. Once again, while cutting this off, make sure you cut it diagonally, and that's it. You can make such beautiful flowers. You can use different colors. If you like this, do let me know so we can do more with this. Maybe we'll do leaves and more embroidery designs. If you make something, don't forget to share your creations with us. Please like our channel, share this video with your friends and family, subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to get notified whenever we post a new video. That's it for today. Bye bye. See you next time.